crime cannot help us at all. Na hiyo na kitu tukoroza nchi sako chetu. I know there is a problem at Keroka. Keroka, I want to address it. That the judge in court gave us a leeway. Myself and my counterpart. We met, we discussed, we agreed. We were to form a committee of 5 people from Kisii and Nyambega to look into the issues of Keroka. But it's unfortunate, there is an MCA of Nyambega who is inciting wananchi in Keroka to fight. We will not accept. And we expect the police to be impartial, because the court directed myself and the governor of Nyambega to sit down. We formed that committee, which we have agreed for us to have a last resolution for the issues of land in Keroka. We will do it. We don't want people to take sides. Abantu ba Nyambega n'abantu ba Ruto, abantu ba Kisii n'abantu ba Ruto. Nto wanja neko ebikongete bikego byanze boli korwanya abantu bomye. Keroka will not accept. And we want to ask the national government, because I'm told that there is a woman from Nyambega who is a girlfriend of that MCA. She is the one who is moving around, putting police vehicles, announcing around over the will start collecting revenue without even doing reference to the governor or myself. That lady, she came for administrative work. Kama amekuja amepata mwanaume ambaye ni MCA, waende wakae nyumbani kwao. They cannot use that proximity to cause chaos at Nyambega, at Keroka. Wewe mama Kisii, tunataka tumwombe kwamba kama amepata sukari na asali nzuri kwa huyu bwana, akule, akae nyumbani, afanye mambo ya administration, and that's all, period. Wewe mama tunajua aende akome. We have no business with that. Akome. Nimesema hiyo kwa sababu najua, kwa sababu wale wanakaa na wewe bwana chini, wanapanga wewe pitisha gari ya hospitali, tangaza hapo ikiwa wasiwasi. Hapana, hakuna watu wetu wanaisikana. Ujinga wa ukabila, ujinga ya vita, hatuwezi kubali.